I welcome all the students of second year IT for this lecture series of digital business. And our topic now, our third topic is the Internet of Things. So, what is an Internet of Things like retail, supply chain, smart cities, healthcare, IoT up there, IoT applications are there. So, we will start with the story, right? Are you interested in story? Yes. So first we start with story and then we go for our theory. So, so the city that spoke. So the story name is the city that spoke. So Maya never really noticed how the connected her world had become. So, but today everything seemed to be talking not with words but with data. So her morning began as usual. Her smartwatch slung on her wrist gently woke up with a soft vibration. So now what? It is a wearable device. Where on on her body. So it had tracked her sleep and noticed she didn't rest well. So her heart rate was slightly elevated overnight. The data was already shared with her doctor's dashboard. So why? This is a why now. So early detection is completed. So how it taken the data? It's a real-time health monitoring signed with the uh, healthcare platform. So in the kitchen, her fridge suggested a light breakfast. It knew her sugar levels were on the edge and that she had not exercised much this week. So it suggested that a light breakfast. So now what? Again what? It's a connected with the home device. Where? At the home. So now it was like living with a personal health assistant. So later she drove through the day means she drove through the city and noticed that the green wave of the traffic lights, no jams, no unnecessary stops. So unseen to her, hundreds of IoT sensors were coordinating the traffic. Why? Because it's adjusting the signal in real time. So now, first is again, this question is what? It's a smart city infrastructure, and where in the traffic lights, road, and intersections. So next is the why. Why? So the why the answer is to reduce the cognition or the pollution and the travel time. So how it working? So with the that processes edge computing that processes data instantly near the source. So the next is as she reached the retail store, her phone burst with the personalized coupon 20% off her favorite sale. Correct. So now again, what is IoT? It's a IoT powered retail personalization. And where? So it is in store. In store plus mobile apps. So the next is the store knew her purchase. The store knew her purchase history and even guided her to the right through the smart shelf navigation. So now, why? Why this IoT? How and why this IoT working? So to enhance the customer experience, for the enhance the customer experience, how it's connected shelves, it connected shelves and the loyalty app integration. So next one is a um, meanwhile the behind the scenes a delivery truck pulled up to the back of the store. But this truck had not arrived by chance. It was the part of IoT optimized supply chain. Before the driver even started his day, the system had already checked his vehicle vitals, tire pressure, engine pressure, brake wear. So now here is what is this? It's a predictive maintenance. And where it is used? It's on the delivery vehicles. Why it is used? So to avoid the breakdowns, delay and the product spoilage. So how it is used? So with the sensor and the real-time diagnostics. Now, the truck route was planned based on the traffic data, fuel efficiency, and the warehouse stock levels, all connected. So, in the warehouse, robots guided by IoT and edge computing had already prepped her store's shipment house earlier. So now what is used here? So it's a edge computing in logistic, where at the distribution center. And why it is used? Because of the faster processing and smart automation. How the data processed locally for real-time decisions. Why? Because data processed locally for real-time decisions. So by night, Maya got a message. Her doctor had reviewed her sleep data and made a small adjustment to her medication. So no appointment needed. Her wearable had done its job quietly watching over her all the day. Her wearable had done, only her wearable watch had done everything. So that was Maya's day. Nothing extraordinary, just life made smarter, faster, and safer. But things that talk, listen, and learn. That's the actual Internet of Things. Okay, we will go with our slides. 1 minute. Just a second. Internet of Things. Okay. Just we will go with the. Okay, fine. Hope you are. The screen is visible. Okay. Okay, fine. Now the what is Internet of Things? Now what is Internet of Things? So the IoT that refers to the Internet of Things. So the IoT refers to a system of interconnected physical devices. IoT refers to the system of interconnected physical devices embedded with the sensors, software, and the network connectivity. Okay, it's embedded with the sensor, software, and network connectivity, enabling them to collect and exchange data. Enabling them to collect and exchange data. IoT refers to a network of interconnected devices that communicate and share data and that communicate and share the data with each other through the internet, often with a little or a human intervention. So the IoT use case by the sectors. Okay, so first sector is retail sector. So what is in the retail sector now? These are the IoT use cases. So in the retail section, retail sector, it's a smart shelves and inventory tracking. It is used for smart shelves and inventory tracking. Then it is personalized in-store experiences using beacons. Next is automated checkouts like Amazon Go. Then it's a theft prevention via real time. It's a theft prevention via real-time monitoring, and it is the like customer movement tracking. For example, it's a smart vending machine, smart shelves, etc. In storytelling, we already gone through the retail sector. So next one is a supply chain. So in the supply chain, it's use the RFID and GPS based tracking of goods. So condition monitoring of perishable goods, real-time delivery status updates. Next is a wearable automation and smart inventory management. Next one is a cold chain monitoring, and their example for supply chain is the automated warehouse robots like in Amazon, cold chain for vaccines, etc. So next is a smart cities, smart street light system, intelligent traffic and parking system. Next one is a environmental monitoring like air quality, noise. Next one is a waste management optimization. So waste management optimization and their example for the smart cities, their example is smart parking system in Singapore and air quality monitoring stations and smart water meters, etc. Next one is a healthcare. So in healthcare, remote patient monitoring via wearable health devices. Correct? Maya won what Maya won? It's a wearable watch. Correct? So next one is a smart medication dispensers. Next one is a IoT connected ambulance and emergency response. So next one is elderly care through fall detection systems. So next one is their example is smart watches like Fitbit, Apple Watches, smart inhalers is the example of IoT, healthcare IoT sector. So next one is IoT applications. Now the IoT applications. Now first one is a connected devices. First one is connected devices. So devices linked to via the internet to share the received data in real time. Second one is everyday objects like thermostats, fridges, and cars connected to the internet. Everyday objects like thermostats, fridge, and cars connected to the internet. The example is smart TVs, voice assistants, that's Alexa or Google Home. Next one is smart refrigerators or smart bulbs, etc. Example Philips Hue. Second one is a predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance like IoT sensors monitor the equipment to predict the failures before they occur. IoT sensors monitor equipment to predict failures before they occur. कुछ भी फेलियर होने से पहले वो प्रेडिक्ट कर देगा कि क्या होने वाला है, सो हम उस टाइप से हम उसकी केयर कर सकते हैं या फिर हम ध्यान रख सकते हैं. फॉर द एग्जाम्पल इज द factory equipment monitoring, vehicle engine diagnostics, example Tesla, wind turbine performance sensors, jet engines, elevators, or factory machinery, etc. So next one is edge computing. So the what is in edge computing? It is a data. Data is processed near the source or the device instead of sending it to the cloud. The data is not sending to the cloud, so it already processed in that device only. So it reduces the latency and improves the speed. For example, self-driving cars processing traffic data on board, real-time surveillance, camera analysis, industrial machinery monitoring, etc. So next one is a wearables. So smart devices worn on the body to collect health and activity data. For example, smart watches, uh, that's a Apple Watch, Fitbits. The next one is a GPS enabled fitness bands, health monitors like ECG, blood pressure, blood pressure wearables, smart glasses, or the fitness bands. Here our second unit are completed. So this is the second unit. This is easy, and the questions, suppose the important questions are like, what is e-commerce? What is m-commerce? First one is what is m-commerce? What is the evaluation of m-commerce? And their applications. All you have to write all the things in the m-commerce. What is the application and impact on 5G m-commerce? So this is an important question. I will share all the details in the classroom or in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. If you like this video, just click on the like button, subscribe my channel, and comment below. Thank you.